To another chart nerd TA update. I'm going to be diving into XRP this evening. So we're looking here at XRP on the daily. I do remember previously saying in my last video that we needed to see XRP come up and break this trend line here, because this was acting as resistance for us. Okay, and you can see that it has right now, and it's trying to make its way back up to this high, basically at 55 cents. So we are on a bit of a journey. We're holding this daily 20 beautifully here. Okay, and we was coiling up. As I said, you got an ascending level of support, okay, which is from there to there. We had this ascending level of support here, and we had this descending level of resistance, okay, that we was coiling up in, and basically we've broken out. So for me, the minimum target for us to break out to now is literally retracing to this 55 cents at a minimum, and at that point I think XRP will make a decision, okay, whether it will start to retrace or whether it will push up to higher targets. I do think there is one more sort of explosive move for XRP to come, because just because of holding this 20 so well, and it looks like it's getting continuation and retracing back up to the 55 cents. Now, for me, again, I'm just going to get this pattern back on. We could be in, I did say as well in my last video that we could potentially be in some sort of bull pennant wearing this flag like this, and XRP could be on its way breaking out. I think it was to 73 cents, but I think that I had the line in wrong for that, and I do believe that we're going from this bull pennant here where we've hit this daily cross, come back for support, got the higher low, and then we broke out in this impulsive move. So what gives confirmation that potentially right now we are on our way up to this target is because from this low, okay, we get a fib on from this low, retracing to this high, okay. If XRP does come up and start to tackle 55 cents, it's looking for me at a 1618 target on a fib at 66 cents. Okay, and XRP, if you see XRP start to do something like this where it comes up, it's got a higher low, it breaks out of this one fib, okay, starts to come above that, comes back maybe for a pullback on support, but once it breaks this 55 cents, I do think you're looking at a 66 cent XRP here. If this continuation of the trend happens, because right now the trend is your friend. Okay, you got a bull cross here, you came up, you come back to the 20 for support, you came up, met resistance, come back for the 20s for support on a higher level of support. Okay, it's an ascending level of support, higher lows, and right now you've broken out of this triangle. Okay, so for me the minimum target is retracement back to 55 cents, but if you do see yourselves get above that and hold it as support, you're looking at that 66 cent target up there at the 1618. That's the bullish scenario for me here for XRP. Okay, and then this bull pennant and this flag will play out and meet our technical targets. If we look at the 4 hour, we was watching, this is our level of resistance. We was watching our line of previous resistance and was coiling up. Right now you can see that we're holding this level of support. Okay, so right now you've got XRP that came up like this. Okay, it was caught under resistance, broke above the resistance, came back for support, and right now we're tracing up. Okay, so potentially what you could see here is XRP come down and retest this trend line here of ascending level of support that we've been in since the 28th of September. Okay, and you're basically bouncing off of it like this, looking for your next bounce up to retest that 55 cents. Okay, so potentially over the next few days I would expect some sort of sideways action here between the EMAs and these resistance lines and the triangle breakout that we've had. So just to clear that up a bit, get this one out. So potentially, okay, you've got two levels, points of contact there of support. You come up, you retrace back to this point of contact support. Right now you've come up. If we meet resistance here and fail to break, I do believe you could potentially come back down to this ascending level of support or trend line on the 4 hour time frame, and then at that point get your bounce and potentially retest this 55 cents, okay, and break this level of resistance of 50 cents that we're currently running into. So yeah, for me, okay, you're going from this low, retracing to this high. Right now I do believe you're running into the 0618, I think. Okay, so from this low we need to get back to this high. Okay, and now look, we came up to the 0618 at 50 cents here. Okay, came back right here, fell back to the 236, found a higher low, higher level of support, and then right now we've again retraced to the 50 cents. So this is the second time we're actually approaching this and trying to break above it. If we break above it, for me, as I said, I do think we're looking to push to 55 cents, and potentially we could do that quite explosively here. And if we do break above that, for me, again, as I said, that 66 to 67 cents, the high 66 to low 67s, is the sort of area where XRP is looking to push and break out from. And for me, I think it would be like a potential large ABC pattern. If we look at the weekly time frame. Sorry, no, I've lost my mind. Don't know what I'm talking about. But yeah, I mean, for me, as I said, so key points to look in mind for here. We need to see XRP come up to this 55 cents. Right now, you've broken above this level of previous resistance. Okay, you've broken above it, and you know you've come back for its support, and you're looking to break out and retest 55. If you could break above 55, hold that as support, you're looking to come up to that 66 cents. For me, that's the current sort of situation for XRP. Equally, if you do run up to this 50 cents and we see rejection here, okay, and we start to come back to this daily 20 and we lose it, okay, then for me, at a minimum, you're looking to retest this 55 as it's creeping up, and that potentially could be down at about 41 cents, again, of previous support. Okay, so we could, if we fail to break out here, 41 cents for me at a minimum on the retracement would be the bearish scenario. But it does look like you're coiling up in some sort of pattern. You've broke out of this triangle here. You're looking to retest this 55. If you come up and break that, for me, you are on your way up to those technical targets. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please do like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, from Chart Nerd TA, peace out.